I'm showing you how to make a spring in Solidworks. This spring is going to be in our handle case assembly, which is going to allow for the trigger to work. First, you're going to start with a line. The point is coincident to the origin, and that endpoint is not fully defined, but it is coincident to allow it to look fully defined, but that's going to allow the spring to have movement. Next, you're going to draw a circle that's 4.75 millimeters away with a diameter of 0.8, which is going to be the thickness, and that circle, the center of the circle, is horizontal coincident to the origin, make it fully defined. Then you're going to do a sweep function to sweep that circle around that line. That's going to make this helical-like shape. Then you're going to create a new plane to draw that arc shape, because this spring you didn't have that arc shape with that sweep. So make that plane by projecting it outwards from that point to make a reference plane off of that initial sketch, so that it's at the top there. Then you're going to draw this helical-like shape. That is another sketch. It's just a semicircle, and it is horizontal to both ends of the point. We have a reference line that is coincident to the origin, and all those that endpoint is coincident to the reference line, so that it is fully defined, and it's going to intersect in that middle of the circle there, so that when we sweep it around, it makes that shape. So you're going to sweep that circle around that arc, and then that's going to allow this helical-like shape to continue the end of the spring. You're going to do the same thing on the other side by creating yet another reference plane for the other end off the top plane, and then creating a very similar like sketch. Just another circle, but this time on the opposite side. Semicircle along this reference line, making sure that it's intersecting in the middle of the circle there, and that both points are horizontal and then coincident to that reference line. And then sweep it again using that face of sketch 3, which is a circle around that arc, and then you have a spring, and because that's not fully defined, it's going to allow it to move within the assembly. Thank you.